Hey, I'm Lina, and I've got another super quick teen life hack for you. Today's tip is all about reducing mobile distractions, so you can finally stay focused. Here's the first hack. Turn on focus mode and set it to block social apps for 30 minutes. Wow emoji. It instantly clears your brain and gives you a clean space to study. Next, move your most distracting apps to the very last page of your home screen. Smiley face. The extra swipes make your brain think twice before opening them. Tiny pause. And here's a pro move. Use a black and white screen filter when studying. With no bright colors grabbing your attention, your phone suddenly becomes way less fun. Sleepy emoji. If you want even more power, set a mini goal each time your screen unlocks. Something like 1 vocab equals 1 unlock. Your productivity will jump like crazy. Lightning emoji. If you liked this one, hit that like button and check out the next hack. You're gonna love what's coming next.